Hey, Rainbow, you're eating your dinner. What do you have there? You got seeds. Yum. You got company, too. You got some company. What kind of company? Oh, looks like you have one kitty cat, two kitty cat, three kitty cat. You got three kitty cats on top of your cage. You feel very comfortable, right? You don't care, right? You're inside the cage eating your dinner. You're gonna share your dinner with kitty cat? You don't care, right? You don't care for a kitty cat. Okay. No. Seems like Rainbow is okay with the kitty cats, right? Maybe tomorrow you can come face to face with them without the cage. Let's see what happens. This kitty cat is a good boy, right? Very good boy. Mommy says so. He's a good boy. See? He's very big, but he's gentle. You want to share your food with kitty cat? No? Okay, kitty cat won't bother you then. Oh, one of the kitty cats fell down. Okay. Let's see. Let's pick up the kitty cat. And put the kitty back on Rainbow's cage. Okay, it looks like Rainbow's cool with the kitty cats. Hey, Rainbow. You're surrounded by some friends. Kitty cats. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you care? Nope, you don't care. You're very comfortable. You're inside the cage, eating, and now you're preening. Cats and the bird. Good morning, Rainbow. You're back into your green cage. Hi, baby. You were outside, and you came back in here. Let me show everybody. This is the cage that you sleep in. So what's different? You got some buddies today. Look, you got some kitty cats. Yeah, they want to play with Rainbow. Rainbow is not that frightened because I've had these cats on top of his cage since yesterday, and he even came close to this one. So he was outside playing, and he went back into the cage. Okay, so you have some more buddies now. Some kitty cats. You know they're harmless, right? Now you seem very, very calm about it, too. So Rainbow's new buddies. Rainbow, come. Rainbow, come. Rainbow, come. Come to Mommy. Good boy. You like your kitty friends? Want to come over here? Yeah, you like your kitty friends, right? Give them a kiss? You're not giving them a kiss? Okay, at least you're not afraid of them. You got 3 kitty friends. Yeah, Rainbow, you got your friends. You got the kitty cats. You got 3 of them here. 1, 2, 3. Want to share your meal with them? Yeah, you want to share your meal with them. Actually, you're not sharing your meal. You're just eating next to them. Rainbow's a very brave bird. Yeah, that's a pretty cat there, right? Kitty cat. And here goes to the other 2 kitty cat. Rainbow, come. Okay, Rainbow, come. Come over here. Come over here, Rainbow. You want to come. You're not afraid of the kitty cats. Come. Okay, I think it's best to do it this way. So you're not afraid of the kitty cats. See, kitty cats are good. They're good boys, right? Good boys and good girls. Kiss, kiss. This is called exposure therapy. You train your pet to be not afraid of new things. Okay, let's go back to your cage and you can eat in peace. Very good, Rainbow. Good boy.